In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a partial payment in QuickBooks Online. Managing your accounts efficiently is crucial for any business, and QuickBooks Online makes it relatively straightforward to keep track of your finances. Let's dive into how you can easily record a partial payment received for an invoice. First, after logging into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see a series of options. Click on the Sales tab. This area is like the central hub for managing everything sales related, from invoices to customer details. Once you're in the sales section, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Navigate over to the Invoices tab. Here, you'll find a list of all your invoices, which are crucial documents summarizing the sales transactions between you and your customers. As you scroll through the list, find the specific invoice where you have received a partial payment. Once located, you'll notice a button labeled Receive Payment associated with that invoice. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a new page or form where you can enter details about the payment you have received. At this stage, you will see a field labeled Amount Received. Initially, this field might show the invoice's full amount, but since you're dealing with a partial payment, you'll need to tailor this to fit the amount you actually received. Replace the amount in this field with the partial payment figure that your customer has provided. Updating this field correctly is vital as it ensures your accounts reflect the real-time cash flow and outstanding balances. Once you've adjusted the amount to the partial payment sum, you'll want to save your changes. Look for the button labeled Save and Close and give it a click. This action will prompt QuickBooks to record the partial payment accurately against the invoice. Essentially, your transaction is now updated, reflecting the partial payment received while leaving the remainder as an outstanding balance that can be paid later. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've now ensured that your records accurately reflect the partial payment transaction, making it easier to track remaining payments and maintain up-to-date financial statements. Staying on top of these details helps provide a clear picture of your business finances, ensuring smoother operations and better financial forecasting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your accounting processes in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, be sure to review QuickBooks support resources or consult with a financial professional familiar with your business needs.